Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. In this video I'll show you where is the SD card slot. In the beginning, let's take a look at the bottom of the dashcam. So basically this is the front of the dashcam. It has to go like this to front windshield. So let's take a look at the bottom, and the SD card slot is here. If you want to eject SD card, simply push it. Now you can take it out. To insert it, make sure to put it in with the chips facing front of the camera. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.